Hey, what's up, YouTube? My name's Kim, that's Donkey, and I want to play piano, but I gotta stand up and plug it in, so I'm not doing that. I'll do it later. Pretty tired. Today, my boss ordered pizza at work. Here's my new MP3 player. And we ate pizza. It was a fairly slow day, so that was good. Because yesterday was really horrible. I was so tired from yesterday. I don't know, I have a toothache and I need to go to the dentist and get my tooth fixed. I have a cavity. Like a $1,200 cavity. Also, the pharmacy lost my prescription. It's like, yeah, pay $80 to go get prescriptions and they lose your prescriptions. So, I don't know. I'm trying to deal with the pharmacy, which is really annoying. Easy, you freak! My dog's back there, just being freak. Yeah, so it was a long day. Am I cross-eyed again? My eyes seem kind of dry. Easy! Oh, I'm congested. I bought Sudafed. It's somewhere around here. I don't know. I cooked really good yesterday and today, so yay for cooking good, I guess. I don't know. I want to look for another job. I've been looking around, like trying to search. There's a job I'm thinking about going and applying for on Wednesday. It's a job sitting. So I'm like, yeah, let's sit. You know, I'm pretty tired of just standing for 7 hours or 6 hours. I'm just tired. What did you get? What do you got? Is that yours? Hey, what are you doing? He'll be okay. He probably just hit something. Okay, so yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna go lay in bed now and go to bed. It's like 1 in the morning. Yeah.